Hi guys, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we will talk about the TikTok application and its new changes. So how to find your watched history on your TikTok account. So if you want to find out an answer to this question, let's check our guide. So first and foremost, we need to open the TikTok application and let's go to the first profile account page. Later, we need to tap on these three lines at the right corner of the screen and click on the settings and privacy. Later guys, we need to pick on this comment and watch history option and click on the first option like watched history. Amazing guys, and here you can find all videos you have watched during the day or other days. It's very nice because if you forget to like some video or to get to save it, you can find the needful TikTok on the list. And I hope that you definitely will like our tutorial, which was very short, but I hope very useful and informative. Guys, don't forget about likes. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and videos about the TikTok app and other programs. And goodbye guys, good luck!